Having your own online store can be incredibly profitable. However, what usually holds people back is the amount of money, the upfront costs, and time it takes to create the website, get everything set up, find the products, do any interfacing, figure out if you're drop shipping, what are you doing, and it's a lot of headache for most people, and often a lot of money. So I've totally got you covered. I'm gonna show you a super simple way that you can get an online store started today for free. Make sure that you stick around to the end of the video. Not only am I gonna give you the website and how it works up front, but at the end of the video, I'm gonna give you some tips on how to really maximize your profits and to make it even easier. Hey, it's Leah Rae from toddandleahrae.com, and in this video, I'm gonna give you the website that's gonna help you do that. But make sure that you stick on to the very end of this video. It's short, you can hold with me, because I'm gonna give you also some additional tips on how to really maximize the amount of money you can make with this and make the process even simpler. Now, the website we're looking at is called threadless.com. Threadless.com. This is an awesome website. It allows you to create your own products using their website, zero cost. Zero cost. They give you your very own online store that's branded to you, not to them. Totally free online store with products that you can put together yourself, and then they don't charge anything. They just take out the fee when people have made a purchase. That's it. It doesn't get any easier than that. So let's head over to the website. I'm going to walk you through their getting started page, and you can get in and get this started today. So this is their website. When you click on sell your art, if you're like, well, I'm not an artist, this isn't for me. It can be. Just hold your horses. We're going to get into that. But this is going to walk you through exactly how this works. So super simple, completely free way to offer your very own products online. So how does this work? Well, from this page, once you're ready to get started, click that little pink button to get started. But so you understand it a little bit better, you're able to create hundreds of different prints, designs, graphics, whatever you want for apparel, different clothing, home decor, accessory items, just in minutes. You set up your store that it's completely customizable to you. That is key, guys, because if it was just like their website and all of their branding, that would be really difficult to build a successful business with. This is all branded to you, which is important. You get to set whatever prices you want on the products. So you create the graphics, the text, the art, whatever you want that you're going to put on this stuff, and then you set the price point. They handle the transaction, customer service, all that kind of stuff. They will give you the email information for your customers, which is important, so you can build an email list, market to these people long term over time. But this is really as easy as it gets. It's super hands-off. They're going to handle the inventory, manufacturing, shipping, customer care, all of that stuff. And this should make you feel good, guys. 18 plus year e-commerce business. They've been around for quite a while. Not some fly-by-night thing that might disappear tomorrow. It's completely free. Doesn't get any better than that. So how does this work? You're going to upload your designs to their website. From the products that they offer, you're going to put those designs on whatever products that you want to work with, and then you simply will start promoting your website. You have a fully functional online store that is about as hands-off as you can find and 100% free. Now, as I said, it's really important that you are able to brand it to your brand, not to them, but to you, which is important, which it goes through that here. One size does not fit all. Your online store should be uniquely yours. That's really important, and it's great that they've had the understanding to do that for you. As you can see, this guy here does kind of little nerdy stuff, and it really fits. That retro vibe is on the website and fits with his designs, and it's a great package. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, it's going to show you just some options. You can view the different products that they have. Totes, hats, mugs, cups, cell phone cases, notebooks, wall art, pillows, t-shirts, apparel, hoodie, tanks, all kinds of stuff. Basically anything that you would want a print on, a design, graphic, anything like that, you're able to use this website for it. Now, if you don't pay to set up this website, get all of this stuff going, and they provide the products, how does the pricing work? How do they make money? They make money when you sell product. So if we look down at this chart, it's going to tell you, an example price. So you're going to set whatever price you want to sell your products for. So they just made up an example one here, but they have a base cost. So out of that transaction, they're going to take that amount to cover the cost of shipping, the cost of manufacturing, and hosting the website, and everything else that they handle for you is going to be taken out of that base cost. So if you look at a zip hoodie, so say you sell your zip hoodie for $49. Well, the base cost is $30. So you just take away 30 from 49 and you have a profit of $19. Same idea with t-shirts. If you sell for $25, base cost is $15, you're going to make $10 per t-shirt. Now, in the world of online stores and online purchasing, it's kind of getting really messy very quickly when it comes to sales tax. So anytime you have a website that's going to handle everything for you, yay, that's going to make your life a lot easier and fewer headaches. Now you can see that they actually actually have a lot of people selling on their website, which is great. And if you're thinking, well, I'm not an artist, so we can still do this. So here's the thing, guys. So say you're not an artist. You're not a graphic designer. You don't do regular art. You're just not artsy. No problem. You can take any set of text, words, anything like that, slap it together. You can use a site like canva.com to create your images. They have templates, different fonts, all stuff that you can do. And you could just do a word-based thing. You could look up quotes, memes, different things online, throw it into Canva in text format, play with the font till you get it to how you like it. Then that would be the images that you'd put on your products. Even simpler than that would be just to go to Fiverr, Upwork. If you have a general idea of an image or something that you want, hire an actual graphic designer to do it for you. Just make sure that you have the rights to the image. And then poof, you've got a design to throw on your stuff and to fill up your store with. The one-time cost of paying a graphic designer is a one-time cost, and you can continue to make sales on those products forever. Now, if you're wondering, oh, that's great. I can set up an online store. I can play with Canva, come up with some words or graphics, or hire someone to put some graphics together for me. That's great. But how do I get my website out there? How do I actually start making sales? How do I get people to my website? Well, honestly, the easiest way to do this, guys, would be with Instagram. Super, super simple. If you've got some great graphic tees or some wall decor, houseware stuff, anything like that that's visual, Instagram is the place to be. Start building an Instagram account. Create posts that speak to your target audience and start posting great pictures of your graphics, of your products. Whatever the products are that you're offering, start promoting them through Instagram. You've got a website link up in your Instagram account in the bio. Use it. Use your Instagram accounts, build a massive following, and drive traffic to your website from there. Instagram is a huge player in the e-commerce game. There are tons of sales driven in e-commerce just from Instagram. More and more people are getting used to making purchases from Instagram. If you've got a funny t-shirt, a beautiful throw pillow, a coffee mug that would make a great present for your dad or your mom, you can create Instagram accounts to promote those products, to drive traffic to your website, and to start making sales. If you just set up the store and you don't promote it anywhere, you're not going to make any sales. You have to promote it. You have to market your goods. Instagram is going to be the best place to do that. Now, I don't suggest only posting only about whatever products you have on your store. Okay, let's mix it up a little bit. I'm going to throw in a card right here, this little icon right there. That's a card. You can click on that and it's going to show you a video I did recently that tells you how to build an Instagram account with actually creating any posts. So what I want you to do, go to that video, learn some of the basics of how to set up Instagram so that you can make money with it and you can use other people's posts in building your account. But make sure that you're mixing in pictures of your actual products. In the caption of those pictures then about your product, you want to make sure to tell them to click the link in your bio to check out more products or to check it out further or to get more details. And in that bio where you're actually writing just text in Instagram, that's where you should tell them what they're going to get by following you, the type of content they're going to see, and you're going to point them to click on that website for great coffee mugs, for cute t-shirts, for vintage this or that or whatever vibe you're going for. Now, if you want to learn more about how to create a massively successful online business going from 0 to 6 figures and beyond, make sure that you click the link at the top of the description to get access to our training to help you do just that. Please know we are rooting for you. We are here to help you create the time freedom that you and your family so deserve. If you want time freedom, then make sure that you subscribe, say hello, and I'll welcome you to the community. Again, this is Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com. Head over to this video that's right up here. Watch that one next, and I'll see you soon.